Hey, fourth graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and we're kicking it off with a little bit of old school practice. You remember this, right? It's a clock. Now, clocks are very helpful with fractions. I don't know if you've connected the dots here on this one yet, but if you go all the way around the clock, right, with the minute hand, you've gone around 60 minutes. Now you can divide the 60 minutes, you can think of it about it as an hour, right? You can divide this clock in half. So half of 60 is 30, right? But then you can also divide the clock into fourths. Here I can actually draw on this clock. Lucky me. All right. So I could divide my clock into fourths as well. And each of the pieces here would be worth 15 minutes, right? So clocks can actually be really helpful when we're thinking about fractions, so don't forget your skills from your younger years. All right, so here we go. Let's check out the story with Raphael. Raphael practices violin for 3/4 hours each day. Okay, so we know, let's say today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. He's going to practice for 3/4 of an hour. So that would be 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4, right? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. That makes 3/4. So 3/4 of an hour each day. He has a recital in 3 days. How much time will he practice in 3 days? So basically, we're doing 3 days, and each day he's going to practice 3/4 of an hour. We're trying to figure that out, right? So this is worth 1 day. So day 2 would look the same. Each of these is worth 1/4, right? So this is day 2. And then day 3 would look the same again. You guys know how much that practice time means, right? Lots of you are junior guards, lots of you play sports, and you know that you have to practice, right? So he's practicing each of his days before his recital. Okay, and the question is, how much time will he practice in 3 days? Okay, so we can actually count the fourths because we can see them. I made them round like a clock because that actually makes sense here. You could also make the models rectangular, right? Okay, so we can count out our 1/4. How many 1/4 do we have? Let's see, we have 3 here. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4. So if we counted all of them, we know we have 9/4. So we can erase this. So it says how much time will he practice? Well, he will practice 9/4 what? But then it's kind of weird. So do you want a bonus? Like, let's figure out how many minutes or hours that is. So let's think about this. 4/4 would be the whole clock, right? So that's 60 minutes or an hour. So that would be 1 hour. Another 4/4 would be another hour, right? And we have to get all the way to 9/4. So then I need another 1/4. So 4/4 plus 4/4 is 8/4. Plus another 1/4 is 9/4. Okay, so now I know he's going to practice 2 hours and 1/4 of the next hour. So that would be 15 minutes. Right? So he is going to practice 2 hours and 15 minutes before his recital, right? Now, the answer to the question is just 9/4. We just did a little bonus, right? A little bonus with our thinking. All right, kids, it's up to you. Grab your stuff, grab your workbook, grab your whiteboard and marker, and draw out those models. Don't forget. All right, see you next time. Bye.